like, and subscribe if you like those 1A audits, 2A audits, 1A audits, 2A audits, open carry audits. Stay with us. Open carry, concealed carry. Stay with us. Welcome to Freedom News Now. We're here at the Jackson County Courthouse for police accountability, civil rights education, and information. YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here holding these activist judges accountable. Word is on the street, DEI is being pushed over merit. DEI over merit. We're here to find out public sidewalk, public right to record, First Amendment audits. Here we are. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's test them. Another beautiful day here in Jackson, Michigan, for a First Amendment audit. We're keeping an eye on these DEI hires. Some of these court workers were outside, hanging out in the front. And they saw me come around the corner and they took off. They fled back behind their fence here. Their new fence. Restricted area, authorized personnel only. Court employees. Oh, that's one of the court higher-ups, commissioners, administrators, court administrators. Like I thought, the higher-ups. They got their high fence here. Got their big high fence here. Make them feel safe. Got their nice new camera. Brand new camera. Just installed. See, they have their special entrance, their private entrance, their secret entrance for the special employees, the judges, the high-ranking officials, the prosecutors, the administrators.
Awesome, thank you.
How you doing? Hey, if you don't want to be on camera,
No, you're good. You're good. I was saying thank you.
oh no, I'm just out here enjoying. It's a nice day. I had to get out and do something.
Yeah, no, I get it, man.
Appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you. So we're out here enjoying the day today. Got some wind block over here. It's been real windy on the other side. This is about the only place we found so far where there's not much wind, so maybe we'll do a little. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these videos. Police accountability, holding these judges accountable, these high-ranking officials accountable, DEI court officials accountable. Here at Freedom News Now, we hold them all accountable. These activist judges, radical activist judges, harboring and concealing, aiding and abetting illegals in Jackson, Michigan. That's word on the street. We're here to expose it. Keep an eye on them. For these corrupt officials, these corrupt judges. Stay with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. There goes the city undercover. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like those 1A audits, 2A audits, 1A audits, 2A audits, open carry audits. Stay with us. Open carry, concealed carry. Stay with us. Keeping an eye on this courthouse in Jackson, Michigan today. Word on the street is they're pushing DEI, hires DEI over merit. We're here to find out. Public sidewalk, public right to record, our First Amendment audit playground. Stay with us, hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. I think we're going to wrap this video up here at Freedom News Now. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one.